Oh, remind me again what I'm doing underneath this piece of shit? Oh, it's recording too, by the way. Look at all this wetness. Look at her, she's all wet.
What are you talking about, my underwear?
Ah, you just ruined it. See, now we can't, like I said, we can't have, this was supposed to be a family formatted video on how to take out this tranny mount. That seems impossible because there's no room, and I'm going to try and jack it up or pry it out or something and put the other one in. The new one, you were supposed to get the new one for me. I didn't get it when I was out here. God, can you get the tranny mount for me off the front of the thing? What's it? Look at that there. Look at that leaking gem I got right there. You're already, stand up.
Yeah.
Go ahead and stand up. There you go. Now, right in front of you is that tranny mount that I showed you, and I put it on the fucking...
Nah.
Can you hand me that?
I have it.
All right, well, just either slide it to me or from under the front. Just chuck it. Chuck it. Yeah, go chuck it. Look at that. All right. Good job. Good job. See, that's why he makes the big bucks.
I was going to drop it through the engine compartment.
That's good. Right on my forehead. I would love that.
Yeah. As a game, like candy. Like
yeah.
Candy Smash.
What?
Candy Crunch.
Candy Crunch, huh? I would think it's more like whack-a-mole, but...
Bing, 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 bing. Ow, mother.
Yeah, that's how it's going to go, actually. So what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try and get this old mount out of there without having to stick my finger into the lens of the camera and without having to jack this transmission up. But I don't think that's possible. But if you look at that mount, it looks like it should work. It looks like I should be able to just tap it right out if I could get something in there, but I can't. Hold on, I got a pry bar here. I do have a pry bar. If I try and pry this thing towards me a little bit, I might have to jack it up, but I put that piece of rubber in there yesterday so I could still drive it. Oh, look, it does slide right out. It just slid. Did you guys see that? It's a miracle. It's a miracle. Did you guys see it? Look, I'll do it again. Look, this is why I make the big bucks right here. Ready? Like it moves a little bit. It wants to come out, but it's hard to do and hold the camera, so I don't know how I can do this so you people can see it while I do it. And there's only enough room under here for one. So, with all the pliers I have, Al, you know, all my pliers.
That's why.
That's why we're in this place and not an actual real shop.
Of course.
But anyway, besides my pliers, and I'm doing this, and that rubber piece that I made is what's holding that in.
Yeah.
And I have nothing to get this little rubber piece out now because it's so wedged the fuck in there. I apologize. Yeah, I gotta get a screwdriver. Hold on, here we go. I gotta get something. I gotta get a long screwdriver. You guys are gonna get nice and seasick, but I like that. I like when I make people seasick. I like when I piss people off, and I like when I make them seasick. So I'm a real jerk off. I apologize. See, I forgot. Again, this is supposed to be a family-oriented film on how to work on your Samurai. You know, like a father-son project, I guess, right? But if you're working on a Samurai with your son, chances are he's probably heard this kind of language before. If you're working on a Samurai. Now, if you're working on a brand new Ford Ranger, what did they go for? $70,000. If you're working on a brand new $70,000 Ford Ranger, I would say your kids probably never heard that language before, because and you're probably going to have a wonderful Christmas, by the way, right? Because you got nothing but money to spend. You know how you know the people, Al? Do you know how to tell the people who are going to have and they're gonna get everything they want for Christmas? Do you know? Can you know how you can tell?
No.
They're the ones that have the most of the inflated fucking stupid lawn ornaments. They got like $700 worth of inflated lawn ornaments. That's how you know those kids are getting everything they want for Christmas. You'll go by my house and it looks abandoned. It looks like nobody lives there.
Yeah.
I got the wife an empty you know when you run out. Oh, I broke the phone. Oh shit. Uh-oh. I can't tell what I'm giving away. Anyway, hold on. What happened? Here we are. We're back. Sorry, we're experiencing technical difficulties because I'm trying to do this like a fucking mutant under here. The smartest way for me to do it.
Yeah, the lawn ornaments. Oh.
That's it. That's how you know, though. The lawn ornaments. That's how you know who's going to get exactly what they want for Christmas.
Well, I ain't got any lawn ornaments, no balloons.
No balloons, no lawn ornaments.
The wreath that's on my door is a season behind.
You actually have a wreath?
Yes.
I don't even have a wreath.
I gotta have a wreath.
Fuck that.
And
can't even afford a
I
wreath.
asked Marie what she wanted for Christmas, and she said she wanted diamonds. So I bought her a deck of cards.
Nice. There you go.
Fuck her.
There you go. All right. Well, anyway, you guys get the idea. So I'll come back to you when I get this one out. And then what's really the best advice we could give, Al, for this coming season?
The best advice I have is
avoid. Well, first you got to avoid the clap, and then all the houses that have all those puffy inflatable lawn things. Those are the ones that are going to be throwing out the best shit. So keep an eye out for those houses, or unless you want to rob them. Either way. But then again, I didn't say that. You didn't hear it from us. Have a good day, and don't eat any. What do people give away? Fruitcake for
fruitcake.
Fruitcake. Don't eat any fruitcake, and avoid the clap.
Watch those plastic ornaments too.
Yeah, don't